So we are starting the new chapter, that is electrolysis.
सर स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah. Okay. So in this chapter, electrolysis. सबसे पहले ये बात कि पढ़ हम लोग रहे केमिस्ट्री, और ये इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस, करंट और ये सब चीज का क्यों हम लोग को जरूरत
हम लोग
पड़
चैप्टर
गई.
6 पढ़ रहे हैं.
यस,
सर मोल कंसेप्ट नहीं करना.
हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस कंप्लीट करेंगे, मूल कॉन्सेप्ट में जाएंगे.
ओके.
मूल कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू होगा तो इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस का बारी आएगा ही नहीं, मुझे पता है. Electrolysis. So what is electrolysis and why we are studying about electrolysis? In chemistry, why we have to study about electrolysis? Can you guess? Electro यानी
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Okay. So electricity and lysis means breakdown. What is electricity?
सर ट्रांसफर ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम हायर पोटेंशियल टू लोअर पोटेंशियल.
Okay, there is a flow of electrons. Yes. So because electricity involves flow of electrons, and in chemistry what we are interested in, chemical reactions involve what? They involve the electrons.
Transfer and sharing of electrons.
Yeah. So because in electricity there is a flow of electrons, and in chemistry we are interested about how electrons are participating in the reaction. That is why we are studying electrolysis in chemistry. And then due to this electricity there is a breakdown of the chemical compounds. Okay. Now many applications are there, we will be seeing in the later part of the chapter. If any chemical substance or any element is allowing the electricity to pass through it, then it is called as a
conductor.
Conductor means allows electricity to pass.
Sir, mainly metals are conductors.
Yes. And non-conductor,
insulators
are also called as insulators. Can be used as insulators. They will not allow electricity to pass. Conductors, some examples you can think about.
Sir, iron.
Metal.
silver.
Sir, gold bhi sir.
Metals. All metals are good conductors of electricity. True or false?
Yes sir, true.
Why?
Sir, because they have a number of free electrons, so flow of electrons can be possible.
Yes. So metals are known as electron rich elements. Okay. So they want to lose the electrons to become stable. So metals, most metals, they can participate in the flow of they allow the electricity to pass through them. Okay. Non-metals example is the graphite, which is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. Non-conductors can also be called as insulators.
सर ग्रेफाइट वो पेंसिल का लेड वाला ग्रेफाइट है?
Allotrope of carbon. Okay. So the chemical compounds behave differently when an electric current is passed through them. Some compounds they conduct electricity in aqueous state or in molten state, but not in the solid state. Okay, they are decomposed by the passage of electricity. So in what state these are acting as a conductor? Metals generally they will be in solid state. Can metal be in liquid state?
Yes sir.
Example?
Mercury.
Mercury. Okay. So generally they are solids. Liquid metal is mercury. They will be a good conductor of electricity. Mostly the chemical compounds they will be in either molten state or they will be in the aqueous state to be good conductor of electricity. What happens when electricity is passing through the material? Whether any chemical reaction will take place or may not take place.
Sir, so there is a transfer of flow of electrons in electricity, so chemical reaction will take place.
It is not necessary that the reaction should take place. For example, the current is passing through the copper wire at your home. There is no reaction taking place. There is just a flow of the electrons. That is what we say as electricity, but any new chemical compounds are not being formed. Okay, so there need not be a chemical change during the passage of electric current through that substance. There are the what we say electrolytes. Where you heard the term electrolytes? Lose motion anytime?
Yes sir.
So then they will give ORS or something, no? Sometimes we also
Glucon-D की तरह रहता है.
sometimes we call that as electrolyte solution. Electro, okay, electrol. We buy that brand is electrol, electrolytes. Okay, so these when they are in the solid state, they are not going to conduct electricity. They need to be dissolved in water or they have to be in the molten state. Okay, in liquid state they have to be, then only they will conduct the electricity. Okay, such chemical compounds which will be good conductors of electricity in aqueous or molten state are electrolytes. यानी पानी में या तो घोलिए या उसको ऐसे गर्म करके पिघला दीजिए, ये दोनों कंडीशन में ही वो करंट को अलाउ करेगा, वो है इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. Okay, but some of them, whether they are solid, liquid or in aqueous state, they are not going to conduct electricity. Then they are the non-electrolyte. For example, जैसे अभी आपने बताया ग्लूकोस, ग्लूकॉन डी, तो ग्लूकॉन डी जो है वो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है कि नहीं है?
नहीं पता सर।
sugar solution, okay, or
तो बैड कंडक्टर होगा सर शुगर सॉल्यूशन।
हाँ शुगर सॉल्यूशन हो या जस्ट सॉलिड क्रिस्टल्स हो शुगर का, these are all bad conductors of electricity, and that is why these are non electrolytes. ओके तो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स है क्या, क्योंकि हम लोग का जो